Mga bata, maayong adlaw kaninyo. Kumusta na mo?
Andamay niyong mga gamit, kay magsugod na ang eskwelahan sa kahanginan.
Kini ang Learn O'Clock.
Magtuon kita karon dinhi sa bagong panahon.
Ang mga lapis o papel, radyo, TV o computer.
Smartphone o modules kinahanglanon.
Ayaw kalimot sa pag-invite sa imong higala.
Ang pagtuon dili maundang mo padayon pa.
Makaton pag-ihap, makaton ta pagbasa.
Letters of the alphabet ang atong alpabeto. Sa Learn O'Clock, where learning won't stop. And then andamo ng kaugalingon kay magsugod ng Learn O'Clock.
Good day, everyone, especially to our learners from the 4th grade. Here we are again with our Learn O'Clock program. I am Teacher Pinky,
And I am Teacher Ellen.
and we are the teachers from Ipunan Elementary School.
The learning area that we are going to tackle today is science. So get ready, kids, with your science module. We are sure, kids, that you will enjoy our topic this morning. Today, we are going to discuss about sound. All right, take it away, Teacher Pinky. Please tell us our lesson objective.
In this lesson, kids, you will do activities to help you understand how sounds are produced. Yes, all of us will enjoy our activities today. But before we proceed, let us not forget to smile, kids. S-M-I-L-E. S is for stay tuned. M is for make notes. I is for investigate. L is for learn. And E is for engage during our lesson today. All right, are you ready, kids?
Yes, teacher!
For our first activity, kids, I want you to pair a plastic ruler on a table beside you with your science notebook and ball pen. Let's do what's new in your science module 2C on page 8. Listen to the directions. Number 1. Get a plastic ruler and press one end along the edge of the table. Number 2. Push or press down the free end, then release it suddenly. Observe what happens when you release the free end of the ruler. Number 3. Hold the ruler while it's still in motion. Observe what happens. Number 4. Repeat number 2 and number 3 for 3 times. Observe what happens. Number 5. You record all observations in your science notebook.
Wow, a simple yet engaging activity. Did you follow, kids?
Yes, teacher!
I know you did. Now, let us check your observations by answering the guide questions. Number 1. What happened to the ruler when you suddenly released it? The answer is, when you released the ruler, it began to vibrate. Who got it correctly, kids?
Great! Now let's proceed to question number 2. How do you describe the movement of the ruler? Answer. The ruler moved back and forth rapidly. Correct! It moved back and forth. Now let's continue. Number 3. Did you hear a sound? Yes! We hear the sound. Number 4. Did the sound coming from the moving ruler suddenly stop when you held it? When you release it again? Answer. When you held the ruler, the sound stopped. But when you release it again, the sound came back slowly.
That's right, Teacher Ellen. Right, kids? When objects make sounds, they move back and forth. This movement is called vibration. Without vibration, there will be no sound. There are imaginary waves produced when an object vibrates. We call this sound waves. A sound wave travels at different speed through the different media. As sound travels, a sound wave is created in response to a vibration. And how easily they move back to their original position. When a vibration is low, slow-moving waves are produced. When the vibration is fast, fast-moving waves are produced until such time that the vibration stops. The travel of sound is slow when the vibration is slow. It is fast when the vibration is fast.
And now, kids, I want you to get a paper for another activity. Number it from 1 to 5. We will come back after a short break. Hello, kids! We're back! Now let's start! Are you ready, kids? Listen to the directions. Write true if the statement is correct and write false if the statement is wrong. Number 1. Sliding a book on a table forward and backward produces sound. What is your answer? Yes, true! It produces a sound when you slide a book on a table. Number 2. Vibration produces sound. The answer is true again. Without vibration, there will be no sound. Number 3. Sound travels in a wave pattern. That's right! The answer is true! Sound travels in a wave pattern. As sound travels, a sound wave is created in response to a vibration. Number 4. Sound travels in a straight path. What is your answer, kids? The answer is false. Sound does not travel in a straight path, but light does. Number 5. Sound is produced when something is hit or plucked so that it begins to vibrate. our answer would be true. There is no sound when no vibration happens.
Are you learning, kids?
Yes, teacher.
Wow! That's great to hear, kids. Now let's have another exercise. I want you to get a pen and a paper. Are you following?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Now I want you to draw the waves in the sea. Make it bigger, but far from each other. Beside your drawing, write slow vibration. Good job, kids! Try to make another waves, but this time, make them closer to each other. And beside your drawing, write fast vibration. Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Very good, kids! The illustrations that you made are examples of two types of sound waves. There are sound waves that have slow vibration, meaning their waves are far from each other and will produce low sound. But if the sound waves are closer to each other, it will produce fast vibration that will create louder sound. Wow, that's why when you make noise like shouting, everybody can hear you because your voice will create fast vibration of sound waves. That is why we have to lower our voice when we speak because too much vibration can create noise.
Yes, of course, Teacher Ellen. We have to be always sensitive of the sound we're making so that we cannot disturb other people. All right, kids. Are you ready for our last activity? I know. They are always ready, Teacher Ellen. Now, for our last activity, I want you to get again your son's notebook or paper and number it from 1 to 5. I will read the question and choices twice. Is that understood, kids?
Yes, teacher.
Question number 1. Vibration is the movement when objects make blank, they move back and forth. Again, vibration is the movement when objects make blank, they move back and forth. A. Waves. B. Sound. C. Vibration. And letter D. Sound waves. Again, A. Waves. B. Sound. C. Vibration. And letter D. Sound waves.
The answer is letter B, sound. Vibration is the movement when objects make sound. They move back and forth.
Number 2. Without blank, there will be no sound. Again, without blank, there will be no sound. A. Waves. B. Sound. C. Vibration. D. Sound waves. Again, A. Waves. B. Sound. C. Vibration. And letter D. Sound waves.
The answer is letter C. Without vibration, there will be no sound.
Yes, always remember, there is no vibration, therefore, no sound. This time, let's proceed to number 3 and 4. There are imaginary blank produced when an object blank. Again, there are imaginary blank produced when an object blank. A. Waves. B. Sound. C. Vibration. and letter D, vibrates. Again, A waves, B sound, C vibration, D vibrates.
The answer in number 3 is A, and the number 4 is D. There are imaginary waves produced when an object vibrates.
Last number, the travel of sound is slow when the vibration is blank. Again, the travel of sound is slow when the vibration is blank. A, waves, B, sound, C, fast, D, slow. Again, A, waves, B, sound,
What is your answer, kids? The answer is letter D. Yes, the travel of sound is slow when the vibration is slow.
All right, there you have it, kids. We hope you've learned something today from our lesson. Let's give ourselves a big round of applause.
For your practice, please try to answer on page 10 in your Science Module 2C.
But I am pretty sure, Teacher Ellen, that they were able to master our lesson for today.
And I know that they enjoy and learn much from our activities. Right, kids?
Teacher Ellen, I think it's time for us to say goodbye to our learners for now.
Yes, Teacher Pinky. Much of our desire to stay kids, but it's time already.
Until next time, kids. Again, this is Teacher Pinky.
And this is Teacher Ellen. Stay safe and may God bless us always.
Bye!
Department of Education, Division of Cagayan de Oro would like to thank the creative team of Ipunan Elementary School, West 2 District for Science 4. Presenters, Dr. Ellen May D. Olasiman and Irfelin Fuentes Amores. Script writer, Charlene Shelu I. Balbin. Content validator, Saike S. Malazarte. Technical director, Neriza A. Galua. Grade 4 grade leader, Hedy E. Mercadejas. Our monitoring supervisor, Dr. Marife A. Ramos. Lead principal, Dr. Pedrita R. Jordan. Assistant to the principal, Dr. Emerita G. Labis and Isabelita M. Alugar. Again, this is your production manager, creative director, Irfelin Fuentes Amores, leaving you with a hugot. Think positive, and sound becomes music, action becomes dance, and life becomes art. Invent and surround yourself with people, color, sounds, and work that nourish you. Enjoy the day! Bye-bye! Paalam!